let's discuss one more interesting question where we are supposed to solve so many terms in the one question itself. It's about simplification. Let's start with the first term. We have over here 1 over 3 minus root 8. So let's start 1 over 3 minus root 8. Simply what we are going to do, 3 and root 8, as it is minus, we'll write plus, and here 3 plus root 8. Done? So let's simplify further. Anything multiplied by 1 is going to remain same. 3 and plus root 8. Done? And here 3 square minus here root 8 and square over here. Numerator is going to remain as it is because nothing much to do. So 3 plus root 8 over here, that is 9 minus 8. So we can write finally for this one that 3 plus root 8, right? And denominator, what are we going to write? Guess, 9 minus 8 is 1. Nothing, we are going to write it. That's it. So that's the simplification for the first term. Now let's discuss for the second term. 1 over root 8 minus root 7. Let's start with that. So here we have 1 by root 8 minus root 7. Now let's multiply here root 8 as it is, root 7 as it is, but what will be changed? Minus to plus here, and here root 8 plus root 7. Now see for the numerator, there is only 1, so numerator will be as it is, root 8 plus root 7, and denominator square of root 8 minus square of root 7. That being done, we have over here square root of 8 plus square root of 7, square root of 7 over here, and here 8 minus 7. So finally we have root 8 plus root 7, right? This is for the second term and this is for the first one. Now let's discuss for the third one. We have 1 by root 7 minus root 6. So see, here we have 1 by root 8 minus root 7. So we just had the same terms in numerator with the opposite sign. So here also we can write directly if you want to do that. So 1 by root 7 minus root 6, right? Here root 7 plus root 6 minus root 7 plus root 6. So if we simplify further, that is root 7 plus root 6, and here directly we can write 7 minus 6, right? So what are we going to get? Root 7 plus root 6, and denominator nothing, there is 1 only, so we are not writing it. See, I told you the pattern is same. 1 by root 7 minus root 6 is equal to root 7 plus root 6. Now let's do for the one more term, that we have 1 by root 6. Let's write here 1 by root 6 minus root 5. Okay, I'm just writing the direct answer, that is root 6 plus root 5. If you want to try it, you can check it. This will be the answer only. Then now we have one more, 1 by root 5 minus root 5 minus 2. So let's solve this one, how we are going to approach it. So 1 by root 5 minus 2, and here what will be there? Root 5 plus 2 and root 5 plus 2 as well. So anything multiplied by 1 is going to remain same, root 5 plus 2, and here root 5 square minus 2 square. So that is root 5 plus 2, and denominator, that is 5 and 2 square is 4. So what do we get? Root 5 plus 2. So basically we have solved all the terms, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now what are we supposed to do? We just place in the whatever given over here, and let's see are we getting the 5 or not. So let's start with the first term, that is here given. What are we going to replace with? That is 3 plus root 8. So 3 plus root 8, then it is negative sign. So minus, we can write root 8. Let's write here root 8, and we have plus root 7, then plus, so as it is, that is root 7 plus root 6, then minus here, so here root 6 plus root 5, and finally the last one, that is root 5 plus 2, so root 5 plus 2. Done. Now we can see there are two brackets specifically which are having negative sign. Plus doesn't matter much, right? We are not going to change the sign in that case. So 3, then plus root 8, here minus root 8 and minus root 7, because negative is there, so we are supposed to change the sign of the terms which are inside, and here root 7 plus here root 6, then here minus root 6 and here minus root 5. Remember, plus root 5 and plus 2. Done. So now let's do cancellation. Plus and minus root 8 plus root 7, minus root 7 and plus, then plus minus minus plus. So what's left? Only 3 over here and 2 over here. So 3 plus 2, that is 5. Then this is what we wanted to prove. Very simple. This kind of questions are simple only, but you need to simplify a lot, right? You can identify the pattern as well. Everything is follows the same pattern. See, whatever we had in denominator, we have the same but with the positive sign. Wherever I think we have everywhere negative sign, so everywhere it is positive, right? Then you need to be careful while you simplify in this manner, right? So this is how we solve this so many terms in the one question about the rationalization.